Access the program from the PriMus homepage. At the top you have the Quick Access toolbar and the menu bar with the main functions. Open a file, and on the left side of the program interface you can activate the View Options and Structure toolboxes. While on the right side the Search and Revision History toolboxes. In the program window you can open multiple documents. Construction cost estimates and price lists. The document window is organized into 4 main sections: General Data, Price List, Measurements, and Print. In the General Data section, you can define, for example, the financial table. The structure of the chapters for the price list and the WBS to organize the work sections, as well as all the configuration for the numeric fields and role signatures, etc. In the price list editor, you create new items to be used in the estimate. View the summary with quantities and amounts. And access the specific rate analysis, labor incidence editors, etc. In the Measurements editor, enter all the BOQ data and view the total. Finally, in Print Manager, generate the document previews and the various documents that are listed on the left. And before printing on paper, make all the necessary modifications with the countless options in the Settings section.